2016 Honda Odyssey. We're doing rear brakes. First thing you gotta do, get your 22, take off wheel. Alright, cool. Next is a 12 millimeter. We're gonna get the caliper bolts out. One here, one there. Next we can pull these pads off. They just come right out. Next is going to be a 17 millimeter for your caliper bracket bolt. Two of these guys right there. Alright, so here's the rotor. We got one screw right here to take off. And then from there, if it doesn't come off easy, if you're replacing the rotor, you can just bang it from it, or bang it on the hub of the rotor, and it'll come right off. So we'll do that now. Now you'll probably need an impact. If not, you can use an impact driver, which is just like a normal screwdriver, but instead of just turning it, you can bang it with a mallet and it'll break free. Alright, so I was pretty fortunate I didn't have to bang it out. This guy can just pop right off. Just like that. Alright, next step is just to get a wire brush. Just kind of brush off all the old rust. It's all around the hub. Alright, before you put a new rotor on, make sure if your old one has this, go ahead and just swap it over. It's just like a little inspection port and a way to adjust the brakes, the e-brake. This guy just pops right on out. I'll go ahead and line the rotor up. Or screw here. Mine already came with hardware, so if yours didn't, it's okay, you can reuse it, but it's just best to, if it already comes with it, might as well use it. So it's looking good. Now we'll go ahead and put this bracket back on, and then we'll get to greasing up the back of the pads. Next you want to do is just get some grease, some brake pad grease, slap it on the back of it, on the sides of it. Make sure you don't get it on the actual pad. The reason why is sometimes it can make some noise when it's rubbing on the hardware or anything like that. You don't have to come back, so it's kind of the easiest way to do it. Cool. Just pop them in. Last step before tightening the caliper back down and putting a wheel on would be just to compress the piston inside of the caliper. So you need a special tool for it. You can probably buy one on Amazon. They have kits online. I think you can even rent them at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. So this is what I use. End up just pushing that piston and compressing it back in. Like that. Now, I can put it back on. like that. Alright, we'll make sure everything's tight. We'll get our wheel back on. And that's the end of the video. Other side's the exact same, so you don't need to do the second side. Make sure you got those steps and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. Peace.